Hello everyone, HJW Trainspotting here, and today I'm at Winchfield Station, as per the usual I guess. And today some Class 37s will be coming through, and I'm going from Eastleigh Arlington to Rectory Junction up there. Well, I don't know where it is, but somewhere up the line there. So with that, let's go. So I guess that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider subscribing because it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as well. Suppose I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.